Solar panels are built in specialized factories using advanced renewable energy technology. The process begins with raw materials like silicon and glass. These materials are delivered to the production area. Silicon is melted in powerful furnaces. The molten silicon solidifies into large ingots. These ingots are sliced into thin wafers. Each wafer is inspected for quality. Cleaning prepares the wafers for solar cell production. Special layers allow the cells to generate electricity. Circuits are added to collect the electricity.
Engineers inspect each solar cell carefully.
This batch looks good. Efficiency is on target.
Agreed. Let's check for microcracks.
Scanning the surface now. Solar cells are arranged into large panel structures. The cells are electrically connected together. A glass layer protects the solar cells. The panel is sealed to protect internal components. Laminating ensures durability and strength. Aluminum frames provide structural support. Junction boxes connect the panel to electrical systems. Cables carry electricity generated by the panels. Each panel undergoes strict quality inspection.
Efficiency metrics are all within spec.
Good. Check the uniformity on this confirmed.
It's good to go.
Engineers test the power generation capacity. Initiating power output measurement now. Real-time data is captured and visualized. Results confirm expected efficiency. The panels are cleaned before packaging. Completed panels are stored in warehouses. Finally, the solar panels are shipped to power homes and industries around the world.